Today, I'm going to share 5 completely free tips that will give your PC a much-needed performance boost all without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Have you ever noticed your computer taking forever to boot up? That's often because too many apps are launching at startup. Open your task manager, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, then click the Startup tab. Now, disable any programs you don't really need right when your PC boots up. This simple trick helps free up system resources and speeds up your startup time. Tip 2 is to clean up temporary files and junk data. Over time, your computer collects a lot of unnecessary files that can clutter up your system and slow you down. To improve your PC, do the following. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the application. Select the drive you want to clean, usually your C drive, where Windows is installed, and click OK. Disk Cleanup will scan your drive and calculate how much space you can free up. In the list of files to delete, make sure to check boxes like temporary internet files, downloaded program files, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails. Tip 3. Keep your system up to date. Whether it's Windows updates or the latest device drivers, keeping everything current is crucial for peak performance. Updates often include performance enhancements and security fixes. For Windows 10, press the Windows key, then type Setting and click on it. Then select Update and Security. After this, select Windows Update and finally check for updates. To update device drivers, open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Find your devices, right-click on them, and select Update Driver. This is similar for Windows 10 and 11. So, take a few minutes each month to check for updates. Tip number 4 is look at the programs installed on your PC and uninstall any that you don't recognize or need. Keeping your system clean will help maintain optimal performance. To do this, press Windows plus R, type AppWiz, SPPL, and press Enter. Then review the list of installed programs, select ones you no longer use, and click Uninstall. Be careful not to remove any system-critical applications. Tip 5. Managing background process and adjusting power setting have also a crucial role in improving your PC performance. For Windows 10, go to Settings, System, Power and Sleep, Additional Power, Settings. For Windows 11, go to Settings, System, Power and Battery. Go to Settings, then System, next Power and Sleep. Finally, select Additional Power Settings. Select High Performance. If you see an option for Ultimate Performance, choose that. If High Performance is hidden, click Show Additional Plans. This will ensure your PC is using its full potential. To manage background processes, open Task Manager, Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Under the Processes tab, check which processes are consuming resources. Right-click on non-essential processes and choose End Task. Be careful not to close system-critical tasks. Give these steps a try, and your PC should feel much snappier. Let me know if you want more tips or need help with any step. Thank you for watching this video.